Hi guys, welcome to Wiezys Trading. This is Eric with Wiezys Trading. I just want to show you guys here how to tell if your indicator repaints or not. Most people don't know how about this, so just throwing it out there. This is Wiezys RSI Crazy Arrow Volume 2, which is free on my Telegram thread, and showing arrows. Zoom out here a little bit. I'll let a few more arrows show up here. We'll speed it up. I got it in open prices just so it goes faster to demonstrate for you guys. It should go pretty quick here. All right, we got a bunch of arrows showing up now. Okay, now you go over here and you want to bring up a second instance of this indicator. Go find the indicator. I change the arrows to white, and these should cover up the arrows on the chart 100% match. Boom. See, these match all 100%. All the previous ones match 100%. The new one came on, they matched 100%. The new one, the old, and the original indicator. They don't match 100%. It repaints. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Subscribe to the channel. More will be coming. I'm always working on new indicators. And you got any questions or anything like that, throw them in the comments. Love to hear from you. Have a good one.